Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I got my iPhone 6 Plus in front of me. I'm gonna cut it on real quick. I already took the bottom screws out. Now I need to replace the battery on this phone. Now the battery is terrible, as you're about to see. That's why I'm booting it back up so you could see how poor the battery health is. The battery health. So 78%, as y'all can see right there. It's time for it to be replaced. So let's replace it. Now, first of all, I will have to undo the battery connector. The battery doesn't have no charge when I go to take the screen off. It doesn't short the whole thing out. Looks like it's had them with a little bit of glue. A little bit of glue, yeah. Then we'll just undo that connector with non-metal, because, kid you not, that's how I shorted one phone out. And yeah, I'm not happy about that one, but connector is something strong. I think it might be glued in, you know? These other plastic little things, maybe we can get up under there and just pry it out. Ah, we did get the battery connector off now. Okay, good. Now, don't put the screws in the way. I hate when I do that, and I do it a lot. Okay, now, screen goes off. It has a lot more connectors, or a lot more screws than my other battery replacements, like on my 5S, my SEs I did. Now we got this battery we need to remove. Let me check something. Just trying to see if it's a Apple original one. Make their adhesive easier to get off, because that seemed very easy. Not easier than I remember now. I remember that pulling off, but I don't know, maybe. Oh, that's what I remember. I remember it pulling off, and I have to do some finagling to get it to come out. Oh no. Okay. That's easy. It's easier than I should remember. Maybe I'm just becoming better at it. Or maybe this is pretty easy to replace with that adhesive. Maybe it's not an original battery. Or maybe Apple switched. I don't know. Okay, that literally went pretty easy. Pretty easily. Yeah. Now there is something that I started doing. Started getting my liquid, my cleaning solution. Started cleaning the frame of the phone, like right here. That's a lot of liquid. The reason I started doing that is because I've been getting a lot of broken phones recently, like the screen's broken, and that just gets dirty. Now this one, I know this phone, it's literally always in the case. Yeah, ain't really no dirt on the frame, but I just want to do it anyway. Now, adhesive here, which I wanted to get the one with come with the adhesive, and we're just gonna put it on the battery. Now I was a little concerned when I bought this battery that the adhesive might be different length, might not be big enough for this device, but it appears that it's good, so it's good. Thought that it might not have all of the strips. I only have like maybe 2 or something, but no, it's like it should be, so good. I'm just trying to take these end pieces off, which being a little difficult, you know. Let's see if we could just get these adhesive strips off. Okay, got 2 off. I just gotta get it off for this last one. Okay, thought I had it, but can I just... Oh yeah, okay, good. Now let me just make sure it's up there. Okay, it's on the battery. Well, now let me make sure it's the same size. Oh yeah, we got tons of room. Because before, when I got another one from this company, batteries seemed to be a little big for what it needs to be. But I think there's extra space in here anyway. So that battery just fit perfectly. Okay, good. We're good. Good, good, good. Now, I'm just gonna put these back on correctly. Okay, that's on. Now let me sit it there for a second. Let me start putting this bracket back onto the top. Should test it before I put the brackets back on, but now I was putting the screw up here so I can put... I'm just so nervous because this is my phone. Nervous because this is the one that I use. Ain't no one else's phone. It's mine that I use. And if I mess this up, Oh, then I messed it up, then. To be honest, we don't want to mess it up. Oh no. My magnetic screwdriver seemed to lost magnetism all of a sudden. It's like it just said, no, magnetism. Okay. We got the screw where it's supposed to be, but gotta screw that one in. Okay. Screwed that one in, one side. I don't know nothing now. All I know is that we could have got sent a bad battery or whatever, you know? And, well, stuff happens, I know, but let's not make it happen, okay? Let's not let that happen, okay? Just hope for the best. Did buy from the seller before, so we should have a battery that at least turns the phone on, because I haven't extensively used the battery last time because it was the phone I was selling. So all I know is battery health said 100. I don't know the quality of the battery, like I just said, but hopefully it's good. And I forgot to route it, but it should be good. Let's get it on first of all. I think it's on now, but I might have to unplug it so I can route it correctly, because it would just be sticking up, hitting the display, and just can't happen. Can't hit the display. But try not to move the screen much. Okay. Battery's plugged in. Let's see. Oh, it's got a charge in the screen. Looks good right now. So, good. Just gotta put the bracket on for the battery. And, man, it's an easy repair. If it's working, you know. Because as now, it could be totally broken. Which, oh, it's booted to my lock screen, which it's good. Now we might not have touch. We might just have a broken screen now. But I'm real confident in my work. Well, confident as a blind person could fix an iPhone. Not that confident, but okay, let me put a password in. Touches work. Oh, I don't know why that password didn't work first time. But I'm gonna put the bottom screws in, and we'll see. There's no flickering in the display, not a thing that I see that could be an issue. Now, Don't know about the battery, so we will check the health and see. Okay, now let's check the health. Okay, battery health. It seems to be loading something here. That, I don't know. Seems to be a little concerning. Why is it loading something when I go to check battery health? Okay, it's charging. Good. And it's got 47% battery. Ooh. Oh, yeah, connect to the... Let me connect it to my computer. And I'm going to see what it says. Because right now, it's not showing nothing. It says the battery health is at 100%. But I don't see it on the screen here. Maybe it just has to fully charge. I will keep using the phone, and in the next clip, you're going to see if I got the problem fixed, or if maybe it didn't get fixed, and I'll just tell you if the battery's good. Yeah, I've been using the phone for a while. At first, I thought the phone was broken, or the battery, because, well, first of all, I had charged it to, it was at 40% battery, and I didn't see the battery go up any. I've been charging it for like 10 minutes, and the battery percent just wasn't going up. So I powered it off, and I powered it back on. It was at 20% battery. I was like, okay, maybe it just needs to just charge up. And we were going out. I was going out places and stuff. So I brought it with me and charged it. And, well, it's working fine now, and the battery was lasting pretty long. Got 100% health. Without further ado, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.